Hello, this is PC Workshops Python Basics course. Remember, practice makes perfect, so download the files and practice to make the work your own. So what I'm going to do today is just the last type of a function I want to show you. So we've already done a simple function where the computer doesn't have any input parameters and no return values, or where I've got only a return value, or where I've got an input parameter but no return value. So what I'm going to show you now, this function here, concat_me, it's got two input parameters, string1, string2. It then creates a value, hello plus string1 plus a space plus string1. That value is now assigned to a variable str, and the value of str will now be returned to the function call. So it goes to the function call and then put the value into A, same as you've seen yesterday in the give me. So what the difference is, I've got both input parameters. So concat_me, the function call has got input parameters. So in other words, world and the sun, these are two values. World is going to go into string1, and the sun, this value, is going to go into string2. The computer creates a new value and returns the new value, which comes back to the concat_me, the function call, and is then assigned into A and then printed. So it's just to show you a function, example of a function where I've got both input parameters as well as a return value. You see, it's very simple.